Hello friends, welcome to Step in Web learning process. Step in Web is a knowledge sharing portal. It will teach web design basics to the beginners. Welcome to Code Building Tool. In this session, we are going to cover Notepad++ Part 4. In this Part 4, we are going to explain about the projects. In the project section, we will explain the basic project, how we have to create in the Notepad++, and also we are going to explain the difference between project and folder as a workspace. Any project will have multiple files with different types, and by its extension, we can classify that files types. For developing on simple web application itself, we have to create a lot of HTML file, some CSS file, and some JavaScript file. And to support image, we have to create some image file also. But all the files has to be put together. We have to keep it one location. Then only whenever we will do edit or whenever we will do some reference from one file to another file, it will be easily accessed and it will show the correct results. To organize the entire project files, Notepad Plus has given some project options. To access the project options, you have to click View, then Project Panel. As a default, Notepad given 3 project panel, but in one project panel itself, we can accommodate multiple projects. So now after clicking the project panel, it will create one workspace. From that workspace, I can create any folders or any project. So now I am adding one new project. I am typing the name school. Now my project is created under the workspace. I can also create one more project or another new project. Then SKM Silk. Then another project also opened. Under each project, I can create any number of folders. Suppose I am odd folder, then HTML, then one more folder, CSS, and another folder, JavaScript, and another folder, image. Like I can organize all the folders under my project. Now we have to add the project related files for each folder. Suppose I want to add one HTML file, my login HTML file. Then I have to right click the HTML file. Here we have to add files. Then it will open the Window Explorer. From there we can navigate to our required directory and select the files. I have selected two files, login HTML and a temporary login HTML. Then open it. The two files will be ordered here. The workspace and the folders are created in the Notepad Plus is not a real folder creation. It will not create any folders in the computer system. It is a virtual folder creations, and it will create one XML file as a project, and it will store all this folder creation and files allocated to that system, so that we have to save this project environment. Then only in future we can access that project settings. To save the workspace, we can't use our regular save command in the toolbar as well as in the file menu. So for the saving, you have to move your mouse on the workspace. Then you have to right click it. In that it will show some 7 options. In that you have to click save. Then it will open the recently opened folders. There you can name it some file name. I am naming project 1. Then save that file. Now my file is saved. This project workspace will helpful to open that corresponding project related files. Suppose I am clicking login HTML, it will open login, and temporary HTML, it will open temporary login HTML. But there is no relation between this, whatever the files opened in the window edit and in the project. Suppose I am closing the project and it will not close all the files, whatever you open through project. Suppose I am changing to project panel 2, even though the old files, whatever opened in the project 1, it is open condition only. So I clearly told it is a just one temporary file. It will show the total environment as a virtual. Now to open our existing project file, normally whenever you are creating the project file, you will click project panel 1. Then whatever the workspace you created in the project panel 1, just clicking the project panel automatically will open the project 1. Suppose you are in the project 2, then also we can open our project panel. Just right click the workspace, there open workspace, then you have to navigate in your Explorer, then you select the required project. So I am selecting project 1, then put open, it will open the project. For workspace related files, you have to operate it from the workspace command only. By right clicking, it will create some commands. From there only you can create a new workspace or open workspace or save your workspace. But we can't operate this save and opening workspace from the regular file menu. Suppose your project is in closed conditions and you want to open your project from the regular menu bar, click open, then it will show the project. You can click the project. It will not open the project panel. Instead of that, it will open that XML file in the edit window. Previously, I told this workspace will be stored in a XML file as a code file. Whenever we will open that code file, it will set up the environment. You see our project name is school and it is created a HTML folder. In that HTML folder, it is assigned to HTML file and it is created another folder name also here. Then one more project SM6, like that it will going on add our entry in the project workspace. Suppose I want to add some images to my project, then you have to right click the image folder. It will give two options. One is add files and another is add files from directory. This add files command will help to add one image at a time, and add files from directory will help to add entire image directory from your computers. Now I am adding one file. Just clicking that one, it will go to the Windows Explorer. There I am clicking pictures. From that pictures I am selecting one picture, then I'll open it. That picture is added to my image folder. Same way, if I want to add my image folder, then right click the image folder, add files from directory, then you select some of the folders from your computer system. I select saved pictures, then OK, then it will add all the images whatever in the folders. After saving your space, you can reload this project file. You can see the difference. So now I am reloading that project file. Now you can see it will added all the images in the image folder, and also you can notice it is written the entire file's full path name in the list. So please remember, it will make a reference to the file with its path, so that whenever we open that file, it will go to that path and it will open it. Suppose accidentally I deleted one file or I moved that file to another folder, then also that file name will be shown in this workspace, but it will show some red minus sign. That is, it will unable to locate that file. Like that it will show. We can after that also we can modify its file path by right clicking the particular file. For demonstration purpose, I have moved one file from one current folder to another folder. Now again I am opening the project panel. It shows all the files and it shows all the files are intact, but I know this file is already moved to another folder. Suppose I am clicking that file, then it will show one minus sign at the document starting point. It means that particular file is not available in the particular folder. By moving your mouse over that file, it will show the entire path. Then by right clicking that file, you can modify your file path. It will pop up on window and show the old file path. But physically you have to edit the new file path in that window. Then click OK, it will change your file path and it will available in the project. Also, you can delete the file from here by right clicking it, remove, then file is removed. But whatever file you are deleting here, it will not delete the file at the folder. It just removing the file from this project environment and delete the line in the XML file. We can open any file from this project workspace to the window editor. Last time we clicked login file and temporary login file, it is opened in our window editor. Same way, if you click the image file, it will open in the script file mode only. It will not show that image. I have already told there is no menu command available in the main menu bar for this project controls. All the menu commands is located inside the panel only. By right clicking workspace, you can get some commands. Here already we see new workspace, open workspace, reload workspace, save, like that. Same way, for right clicking individual project, the different menus will come. First menu is move up or move down. Here we can move the project to down or up. Suppose I am selected the first project, I am moving down means automatically come bottom. Same way in the folder also I can move up or down. Here I want to move HTML to up direction. Same way CSS also I want to put it in the second position. So like that we can move or move down by that command. Another option is we can rename it each project. Suppose failed, I provided one folder. I want to change it to PHP. Then the folder is renamed. And other commands like add folder, add files from directory, and remove are already we seen in the previous examples. So now I have explained all the options available in the project panel. Drawback in the project is, suppose we are using some files from some folders which is located in somewhere else in our system. Wrongly another developer, he moved the file or he deleted the file, then our entire project will stuck. Same way, if wrongly we deleted our project saved file, that is the XML file, then also we can't access our project workspace. For that reason, now Notepad++ announced a new version, folder as workspace. In this concept, physically we are creating this type of folders for each project, and physically we will locate all the files inside the folder. So whenever we modify the files in Notepad++ or any other software, it will be updated and the file will be intact in the folder. We are creating these folders specifically for one project. For that reason, nobody will disturb that file also. So always our folder will be intact, and anytime we can access that project easily by any developer. We have already seen the folder as a workspace in the previous video, and from that only we created our entire login page. Then you have a doubt. Already we have made one project in the folder as workspace itself, then why this project is required. But still the project having some advantage that will be explained now. Okay, now we will start our graphic world project again. View project panel 1, then it is workspace is there. Here we will make it a new workspace. Then in the new workspace we will add our new project graphic world. For this project already we created a folder as a workspace, so straight away we will add our folder as workspace here, so that it will have two controls. We can directly do some modification or editing in the folder as workspace also, or from this project also. So for the reason I am adding my folder workspace add files from directory. Then I have to select the entire folder graphic world, then click OK. Here you see the entire folders created in the graphic world as a folder as workspace, that all the folders are shown here. Same way if we click the HTML, that files also here imported, and if we click the image, that image files also is opened here. So now we can work in the individual file like what we worked in the last video. To understand the advantage of this project folder, suppose your company is developing a lot of projects. In that project you may use a lot of functions as a common. Same way lot of images also as a common. So every time suppose you are creating new project, then no need to create a duplicate files of the same function or same image in the each project folder. For the reason, what are the files or images you want to make it as a common or shared file, that file we can put it here as a common folder, and easily we can manipulate or view in that project. Like I am going to add one time function and a date function for this our login HTML file, which is common for all project in the company. So for that I am going to create one common file folder. Now I am going to add the common file to this common file folder. For that I have to right click and add files. Then I have to navigate to the concerned folder. And that file we have to select here. H1 attendance.j is that file. I am selected, then open it, then that file is added here. To link that file to my HTML file, I go to add the link code. Just I am pasting that code here. I added script source. This source has to be filled. For that we can easily fill it up. Just double click the common folder file, then it will open in the window. Then right click that file. You can copy its path in the clipboard. For that command is full file path to clipboard. Now the path is copied into the clipboard. Then we can just paste it that path. So now full path is pasted here. So my this common file h1 attendance.js is linked to my login HTML file. Now I have to add one HTML element to show the time above the text shown in the right side. Just I am pasting my code. So here it will show our current time. Same way I have to call the clock functions from that attached file. For that reason I go to add one code in the script section. I am pasting, so it will call the clock functions available in the linked source file h1 attendance.js, and from that it will assign the time to our label created in the rtop section. Okay, now our login page is ready for showing the time, so we will run it in the browser. See, the time is showing here. So like the project, we can use it for sharing the common files between the lot of projects. So It will avoid duplicating the same file in the each project. Plus the advantage is whenever we do some editing in one file, automatically because of the sharing, it will be show the correct result for the all the project. In the project panel, whatever we modify the folder name, it will be changed in the XML file only, and physically it will not change. This HTML images we created physically in the graphic world folder. Suppose here I am changing, rename it just img. To view the our folder as workspace, just close the project, then go to the view, then click folder as workspace, then it will create it. You see that images is not changed to img. It is still it is holding only images only. That is the difference between this folder as workspace. Really will change the folder name, but project will not change the folder name in physically in the computer, but it will change the folder name in the working environment. This is the end of the session for this project, and we will look in the next video. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel to grow and share more technical videos. Also, I have written code building tool book, and it is available in the Amazon Kindle. For more details, please read that book. Thank you once again, and bye.